Next stop,
So Carolyn, are you chilly right now with your pants on?
Chilling.
She's pretty good off though. She's got the leg warmers.
Yeah. I'm good.
How's the weather?
It's good. It's stagnant. The air down here is really stagnant.
I forgot my paste. Probably paste.
doors are closing.
It was so cool. Take a picture for myself. Yeah. Magical. Too many body parts. Check my pocket.
My underwear.
Laundry day.
Laundry. Sounds alright.
Tasty ass legs.
Fucking right, brother.
Wherever you're getting off at, I suggest you stay on that car until you get there. Since I gotta see you run one more time, I will put this train out of service.
Just drinking beer, right?
So you said you made that unicorn?
Yeah, made that unicorn, you know, custom made there.
Those shoes are hilarious.
Yeah, I got my.
I seen it all for today.
I'm telling you, man, ain't nobody gonna believe this, man. Ooh, it's
So how are you enjoying your pantsless subway ride?
Oh, this is awesome. Fantastic. You shouldn't do it any other way, really.
Breakfast train taking all stops. Doors are closing. Doors are opening. Transit train taking all stops. All stops.
Right there, just like it's there. It's cold as hell outside.
Alright, now it's your turn to take your pants off, and I can take pictures of you doing that. See how you like that.